5 Best Dinner Casserole Recipes with Zucchini. This compilation of finest zucchini casserole recipes will help you create quick and simple dinners with your fresh vegetable collection. Number 1. Baked Zucchini Pizza. Ingredients for a baked zucchini pizza: ½ teaspoon salt, 4 cups of shredded, unpeeled zucchini, 2 lightly beaten eggs, grated Parmesan cheese, ½ a cup, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 100 gram of ground beef. Directions: set the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, mix the zucchini, eggs, Parmesan, 1 cup mozzarella. Press this mixture into a greased baking dish. Bake the dish for 20 minutes. Stir the ground beef and onion into a large pan over medium-high heat. Spread the sauce mixture over the crust made of roasted zucchini. Add the remaining mozzarella, bell pepper, mushrooms, and black olives to the top. Bake in the preheated oven for 20 minutes. Serve after cooling. Nutrition facts: 409 calories, 26 gram fat, 12 gram carbs, 34 gram protein. Number 2. Greek baked zucchini and potatoes. Potatoes, zucchini, tomatoes, and red onions are all used in the classic Greek roasted vegetable meal known as bryum. It is an ideal Mediterranean diet containing olive oil as a source of fat and is vegan as well. Few simple ingredients of bryum include 6 ripe tomatoes, pureed, 2 pounds peeled and thinly sliced potatoes, 4 large zucchini, 4 small red onions, 2 cups olive oil. Black pepper and sea salt to taste. Directions: spread out potatoes, zucchini, and red onions in a big baking dish. Add olive oil, parsley, and pureed tomatoes over top, sprinkle with salt and pepper. Combine all ingredients and toss to coat the vegetables completely. Serve warm or take out of the oven and let cool slightly before serving. Nutrition facts: 534 calories, 28 gram, fat, 66 gram, carbs, 11 gram, protein. Number 3. Zucchini herb casserole. Ingredients: white long-grained rice, water, and vegetable oil, green onions and diced zucchini, 1 garlic clove, salt and basil, chili. Dried oregano, tomatoes, shredded cheddar cheese. Cook rice for 20 minutes of simmering on low flame. Cook the zucchini, green onions, and garlic for 5 minutes in a skillet. Add basil, paprika, oregano, and garlic salt. Add a cup of cheese, tomatoes, and cooked rice to the mixture. Add this mixture to the prepared casserole dish. Add the remaining cheese on top. Bake uncovered for 20 minutes. Nutrition facts: 266 calories, 18 gram fat, 17 gram carbs, 12 gram protein. Number 4. Zucchini cornbread casserole. This recipe combines shredded zucchini with onions, corn muffin mix, and cheddar cheese. Ingredients: 4 cups of grated zucchini, 2 beaten eggs and dry corn muffin mix, 1 chopped onion, salt, black pepper, shredded cheddar cheese. Combine the zucchini, onion, eggs, muffin mix, salt, and pepper in a large bowl. Add 4 ounces of cheese. Put this mixture into a greased casserole dish. Sprinkle with remaining cheese and bake for 60 minutes in a preheated oven. Nutritional facts per serving: 261 calories, 14 gram fat, 23 gram carbs, 12 gram protein. Number 5. Zucchini pie. This simple and delicious zucchini pie is made with eggs, crescent rolls, and zucchini. Directions: unroll and press the crescent rolls in a 9-inch pie pan to cover the bottom and edges. Set aside. Melt margarine in a skillet over medium heat. Cook the zucchini and onion until they are soft. Add parsley, oregano, salt, and pepper to taste. Take the skillet from the stove. Add cheese and eggs. On the prepared crust, pour this mixture. Bake in the preheated oven for about 20 minutes. Nutrition facts: 351 calories, 23 gram fat, 20 gram carbs, 15 gram protein.